1,95 cent pro Minute.
Good afternoon. You're speaking with Ian Newton from Press England. I'm calling with FFG Bernlef.
Yeah, that's correct.
That's correct. I just called with somebody from the board of your student member society, but I should have you, I understood?
Yeah, that's correct, yes.
Yes, so you
That's the first name for today.
Alright. So what's your name?
Jelma
Hitzart?
Yeah.
Alright. So yeah, I'm Ian Newton from Press England, and I'm currently writing a report about minorities and threats.
Okay.
So that's based on...
That's an interesting discussion, of course.
Yes, currently you might know that there's a heavy debate from a movie about Gaelic in Scotland.
Yeah, I've heard about it, but I'm not sure what's in the movie, but I've heard about it, yes.
Alright, well I would like to ask some questions about commotion about some recent movies in Holland.
Okay, yeah, that's no problem.
As I understood well, you made a movie for the Frisian independence.
Yeah, you could say it, but it's just, we made a movie as a Frisian Student Association. Because we weren't, the Dutch movie maker was making a film about the chameleon.
Yes.
And the film was made in the Dutch. And we didn't agree with that. So we decided to make the movie in Frisian language.
Alright, so what's the movie about?
Oh, that's difficult. The movie is about a forecaster of the weather who has been kidnapped by a forecaster of the weather from another province in our country. And two guys, especially,
yes,
are trying to rescue him.
Alright, so what's the message?
The message, the clear message for us is that we didn't agree with the movie filmed in Dutch. We want to be the movie in Frisian because the movie was a really Frisian product. It's based on a few books,
yes,
written by I don't know her name anymore, but who wrote a few books, and it's about Frisian, our province. And they decided that the movie should be in the Netherlands, in Dutch. And we didn't agree with it. We wanted to be in Frisian, and that was our point of the whole movie.
I see.
It's just a little bit, yeah.
Does that mean that you want the Frisian language to be obligated in the whole Netherlands?
Yeah, a little bit. But we want more, how do you say it? More promotion for Frisian language and culture.
Oh yes. So what's that? The culture? What's the Frisian culture?
Oh, that's also difficult to explain. But you can think on certain kinds of sports, like skeafergoeding.
What is that?
It's a kind of sailing.
Alright.
And you can think of kaatsen.
Oh, I heard about that. That's
yeah, you heard about it?
That's like football, no?
No, it's not like football. It's a little bit different. It's a game played by a few people, and it's small ball. It's comparable with it's a crossing between tennis, and all kind of other sports. I can't explain it really well at this moment.
So what is so special about the Frisian language?
Yeah, it's a beautiful language, and it's it's an old language, older than Netherlands and Dutch language, and so we wanted to promote that.
I see. So, how many members does your fraternity have?
Our student association has about 180 or 200 members.
All right. And does it mean that your fraternity has an extremely right national wing?
No. That's absolutely not the point. No.
Okay. So,
we're just a group of Frisians with pride of our province. Okay. And we're not a right-wing nationalist or something like that.
Okay, I see. So you see from the Gaelic film from Scotland that it was mainly young people involved, and I understood you were young people as well, fighting for your country?
No, not fighting for our country, but we made a movie about our culture and in our language, and we were young people.
Yes. Okay, I see. So you understand that I see a certain link with Geert Wilders' Vietnam movie?
I think it's a really strange link.
But he is fighting for Netherlands as well, and you are fighting for Frisian.
Yeah, but I don't agree with the kind of the way Geert Wilders does it.
So what do you think about the movie?
I saw the movie and I think it was a bad movie. Not because of the message or something like that. I also don't agree with the message.
Why not? You don't want Muslims in Friesland, do you?
Yes, of course we want. No problem.
But they should speak Dutch.
No, yeah. If they come to Frisian, there are a lot of Muslims living in Frisian, and I don't have problems with it.
Do they speak Frisian?
Some do, some not. But we don't have problems with people who aren't speaking Frisian. We just want to promote our culture and language, so it shouldn't be lost.
But why didn't you make yourself a movie then?
What?
Why didn't you understand your own movie? I mean, why wouldn't you make an own story with like Geert Wilders?
No. That wasn't our intention. The idea came 6 years ago when we heard that Kluitman is, you can call it the director in the Netherlands, would make a movie about a Dutch book.
Yes.
And he wanted to make it in Dutch. And we really explicitly said we wanted to read the movie in Frisian. And he decided to do the movie in the Netherlands in the Dutch language. So we decided, then we make our own movie with our own story. It's just a funny story. It's not a story with a message. The only message circling around the movie is we want to make a movie in Frisian, for Frisian language, so people can understand the Frisian language because we love it.
So you are not placing bombs then?
No, not at all.
So what is your next step?
Yeah, we were thinking about some nice actions in Friesland, but not placing bombs and things like that.
What actions then? You know it is getting a serious threat in Scotland?
Yeah, no, but you shouldn't be thinking in that direction. It's just more funny actions in Frisian. But we are not sure about what we're going to do and how we're going to do it, so I can't say anything about that.
So, if I understand well, you made a movie for the independence of your province, Friesland.
No, not for the independence.
Oh.
We made a movie in a reaction of a Dutch filmmaker who wants to make a movie with Dutch language.
Yes.
And we decided to make a kind of same movie, but in the Frisian language. Because
where can I see the movie?
The movie is forbidden by law, so you can't see it.
Could you send me a copy?
I don't have a copy.
But your fraternity has a copy.
Yeah, I know.
But we cannot see that.
No.
You know
it's forbidden.
You know for the objectivity of this?
Yeah, I know. No, but it's forbidden by the job, so you can't see it.
Okay, so that is a pity, sir.
Yeah. But I hope you understand where our movie is about. It's not about giving our province a kind of independence or placing bombs or things like that. That's a whole kind of other direction. We just want a little bit more understanding for our own Frisian culture and language.
Through a movie.
Through a movie, yes.
I understand, sir.
Okay.
So you know it is the 1st of April today?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
What up?
Then I would like to thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.